My name's Kathy. I am a therapist. I'm in private practice. I came out in college. I actually met my partner in college too, in my mid-20s, and we have been together for almost 27 years, and we have a 16-year-old son. I was a graduate student at the University of Alabama, and the LGBT student group decided to host a conference to be able to explore issues of concern to them. At that time, the Attorney General of the state was Jeff Sessions, who is Trump's nomination for Attorney General for the country. Immediately, as I recall, condemned the conference. This needed to be stopped, that there was no reason for this to be allowed, that it shouldn't be allowed. He then initiated legal action. From my perspective, used the full power of his office to try to stop a student group and was in direct violation of our First Amendment rights. I had never experienced that level of discrimination, an endorsement of homophobia. Donald Trump may on one hand say that he is not going to do anything to harm the LGBT community, but his actions by picking people like Jeff Sessions gives me a different message. Not only did he nominate him, but he was one of his first few nominations. It is very worrisome to have Jeff Sessions be the person who is supposed to be protecting the rights of minority groups. It also gives a message to the larger community that it's okay to target LGBT people again. I want to make sure that this world is safe for my son. You know, one of the things that was amazing about that conference is that a small group of students came together and we got support from the community, even though the powers that be tried to stop it. And so I want to remember that on that day, 20 years ago, we won. If we come together, we can still win. And we can still have the country where I feel that my child will be safe in. I felt like I had to stand up, and that's part of the reason why I'm talking now, is I feel like I have to stand up. Somebody's got to say this is not okay.